Mabutag! We are outside.
Finally, we have left the premises. We are here in Dumaguete City, and it is official lockdown.
Yes,
we have not vlogged since it's been official.
Enhanced community.
Wait, have we?
Quarantine. I think
we
so.
have.
I don't know, maybe, but we're going outside for the first time.
And the rules are you can only go outside if you have a pass, which we have on Wednesdays and Fridays or something.
One of these ones.
Saturday and
yeah, specific days, specific times. This is so heavy. And there's only one for like a whole street, so we have to share it with 7 other residences. So that's cool. Let's turn.
Is the camera sideways?
No.
So this is Dumaguete. It's actually still pretty crowded, as you can tell. You'd think it would be more of a ghost town.
But it is a Saturday between 1 and 6 p.m., which is when we're allowed to go outside. We are going to City Mall because I need pun. I need pun.
Alright, so this is gonna be a quick vlog. We're just showing you what it's like here during lockdown.
What life is like now.
So, ta-da.
So we're at City Mall, and usually we can't park because it's so crowded, but we still can't actually park. Never mind. There's no parking.
Maybe right here I can parallel.
Okay, we're gonna parallel park. Show us your skills, boy.
Boy.
Boy. Oh.
Alright.
Can he do it?
Fun fact, Zoe cannot parallel
I can't parallel park. I'd rather walk 2 kilometers. This is the nice part about our car. It screams at us if we're getting too close to something. Oh, it makes me nervous. It's screaming. We're good. One more turn.
Oof.
Oh yeah.
Tight squeeze.
Yep.
Alright, shout out Hyundai. So we still have their car. We were supposed to go on a long road trip. Look how it's so sideways.
It's so heavy.
Anyways, we're still using this car to get groceries and stuff. So shout out to them. They're making life easy for us.
Yeah. We can't imagine what it would be like if we didn't have transport. Yes. Okay, go. Really heavy. Bye.
Alright, so kung musulod ka sa mall, if you enter a mall, they usually check your temperature, but they are not doing that. Sir? Oh.
Never mind.
So there is no checkpoint, there's no temperature check, so it looks like they're pretty chill right now. Also, check out my super sick hat. It's my incognito mode hat. I wear this hat so I'm not recognized, because too many photos equals no social distancing. Diba?
Diba.
Thank you. Thank you.
I came here for pun.
Bread, no bread. So this is the local market. Diri kami mopalit o gulay. This is where we buy all our vegetables and fruits. Super cheap, way cheaper than the supermarkets in the mall or in the stores. We're going to attempt to make some pumpkin at home. 2.5. All right, good morning. We are back here at Ebery's Hotel. It is actually another day. We stopped our vlogging yesterday because we had nothing exciting to say. But yes, we are back. And this is how we start off our routine here at lockdown.
This is not usual, because I'm usually awake by 7, but it's 11:30. I slept in.
Yes. So we start our day by having a nice bowl of cereal.
This is our fridge.
This is our fridge.
1 of 3.
We got the essentials. Mong Thomas for our hot dogs. We got some real ketchup, not that banana ketchup. Yes, we got heaps of yogurt. We stocked up granola, mangoes. That's about it.
Aussie milk, shout out.
Zoe's gonna start off the day by doing 100 push-ups. She's made a goal.
One-handed with the cereal.
Go.
No, I'm gonna break it.
All right, see how many push-ups you can do.
Probably 1.
10. Go. 1, 2. Great form. 2.
Please.
Go. 3. Yoga. Great transition. We're gonna go about our day today and show you what we do here at our beloved abode at Ebery's. This is pretty much it though. we eat. And oh my gosh, she's the loudest chewer in the world. We're gonna say what up to Nye because she's making us something. It is Easter today. Speaking of Easter, I have a Easter egg for Zoe. You have to find that Easter egg. I hid it.
Right now?
After you eat.
I really did hide it.
It's gonna be a while.
Yeah. I mean, it's a big room. You're not giving me any clues.
Here's the tour of the room while we wait. Nice.
That's it. That's the tour. Can you give me a hint?
Yes. At the dawn, I blocked the rays.
Okay, curtains. So many curtains. What the heck? It's not very helpful, is it?
You're cold.
What?
You're cold.
I'm cold. Okay. Am I warmer over here?
Yes.
Here? Cold? Warm?
You're warm. You are very warm.
Hello, egg.
It's a real egg, so if it falls, it's gonna
Not
splatter.
a real egg. It's a surprise.
You gotta be tall to find it.
I've got it. Are you kidding? I'm not tall. Where is it? Oh, how did that not come down? With me moving the curtain so much.
Did you find it?
Yeah. How did it come down? It's still.
Jump.
No,
Jump.
I can't. Wow.
Hey! Show us it.
Carson's never had these because they're banned in the US. We have them in
It's like a whole $1. You could get a good piece of chocolate for that.
Yeah, but you also get a toy.
Proceed with your cereal. I'm gonna say what up tonight.
Hi, Kaloy.
Hello.
Yeah, you look at what I do. You look at what I do.
What?
The crochet. You see, I have to size
this, the
Yeah, for you, and I already given the other. Yeah.
Tita's making us a phone case. Phone case ni siya?
Phone case na para na di mo.
Grabe. Kamu ulit ka mag-imo phone case.
Ang kamot ko para ni mo, Loy.
Salamat, Nay.
Og ni Kuan. Suwi.
Wow, na kay name tag? Si Ernst.
Sakwa na po.
It's so heavy. Okay, Carson is in the shower, which means I get to hide the egg. So I thought here would be a good spot. I can just. That is obvious. Wait. Oh. Okay. Perfect. Okay. Let's see how he goes. No, it's not outside. It'll melt. You're pretty warm. But not there. Not there. Where are you doing?
Why's your popcorn under here?
Why is there popcorn? Ew.
Too easy. Minute flat.
Whatever.
Found the way, boss. The eat log.
Now you have to eat it because it's your first ever Kinder Surprise.
Oh yeah. How do these work?
You open it to start. Wow.
Ooh.
Ooh.
So is one a toy? Huh? One's chocolate?
Honestly, I haven't had one. Oh, I wasn't even on your face then, sorry. I have not had one in quite some time.
First one. Oh, this is a toy. Sick. This is why
Yay!
it's 50 pesos.
Is that? Oh my gosh, a puzzle? Oh no, it's a turtle.
It's a turtle. No, it's an elephant.
Oh.
And we got... What is this? What the heck? I did not expect it.
Okay,
Have you ever had one like this?
no.
It's full of eggs. What is it? Something fam. That's all you get for 50 pesos. You can get 2 Snickers. Tastes like a sticker.
You're so tall. Thank you.
Tastes like a sticker.
A what?
A sticker?
What's a sticker?
No, sticks. Like the wafer sticks kind of, they're hollow. It's like a straw, but
Oh, yeah.
that's what that ball tastes like. At least we have a new game to play while we're here in quarantine.
What is it?
Lockdown. I don't know.
Okay.
Alright.
Bye. I made a whoops. Wait, wrong one. We bought Kinder Joy and not Kinder Surprise. So I was expecting an egg, like, you know, like they used to be. But apparently Kinder Joy is not like that. So, not bad. But also, it's banned in the US because kids choke on the inside of the egg.
The toys?
The toy, yeah, because the toys are just like in the chocolate.
Alright, next up on our list of things we do during quarantine is
a lot.
eat a lot.
Is anyone else eating more than normal? It's like I break my days up by sleeping and eating. That's it. I mean,
So, check out this pesto pasta that Zoe makes. Probably one of my favorite meals, if not the favorite meal that she cooks.
Thanks. It's tasty.
She's proven herself to be a worthy chef since we've been in lockdown.
Wife me.
What?
What?
Alright, so pakahuman kami makaon. After we eat, we pretty much just get to work on our computers. Mom Joey does stuff for
The Asia Collective. So I am a content and social media executive for the Asia Collective, which I've been working from home or working remotely since before all the quarantine happened, so nothing's new for me.
And I obviously have not been vlogging that much because I don't really dig these indoor vlogs that much. You know, I prefer the traveling stuff. So I've been investing my time. What are you doing? I have a mirror. So I've been investing my time learning photography. I've taken a few courses. Jordan Hammond, you can check him out. He has an online course, but I think it just closed. Super good, learning some things. Social distance.
Social distance.
And I